Welcome back to Talk English IRL. Learn real-life English spoken every day. Let's learn English the real way.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talk English IRL.
Hi everyone, I'm Grace.
And I'm Daniel.
Today, we will talk about daily routine with kids.
Yes, real-life English conversation.
Very easy English.
Perfect for beginners.
Daniel, do you wake up early?
Yes, I do. I wake up at 6.
That's early.
Yes, I have kids.
Oh yes, kids wake up early.
Very early.
What do you do first in the morning?
First, I wake up the kids.
Is it easy?
No, not easy.
What do you say to them?
I say, wake up, it's morning.
Do they wake up fast?
No, they are sleepy.
Kids love sleep.
Yes, they say 5 more minutes.
That's cute.
Then we brush our teeth.
Together?
Yes, together.
That's a good habit.
Yes, then we wash our face.
What about breakfast?
I make breakfast.
What do the kids eat?
They eat eggs and bread.
Simple and healthy.
Yes,
Do you talk in the morning?
a little. Everyone is sleepy.
I understand.
Morning is busy.
Yes, very busy. Now, let's talk about daytime.
Okay.
Do the kids go to school?
Yes, they go to school.
What time do they leave?
They leave at 8.
Do you help them get ready?
Yes, I help a lot.
Like what?
I help with clothes.
What do you say?
I say, wear your shirt.
Simple English.
Put on your shoes.
Very useful sentences.
Yes, daily use.
After school, what do kids do?
They come home.
Are they tired?
Sometimes, yes.
What do they do at home?
They eat snacks.
Kids love snacks.
Yes, very much.
Do they do homework?
Yes, after snacks.
Is homework easy?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Kids and homework.
I sit with them.
That's nice.
I say, let's study.
Do they listen?
Not always.
That's real life.
Yes, very real.
What about playtime?
They play in the afternoon.
Outside or inside?
Both.
Playing is important.
Yes, kids need play. Now, evening time.
My favorite time.
Why?
Because everyone is together.
That's nice.
Yes.
What do you do in the evening?
We eat dinner.
Together?
Yes, family dinner.
What do you eat?
Rice, vegetables, and chicken.
Sounds good.
It is good.
Do you talk at dinner?
Yes, we talk about the day.
What do kids say?
They talk about school.
That's great English practice.
Yes, talking helps.
After dinner, what happens?
Kids watch TV or read books.
Do they use phones?
A little, not much.
That's good.
Then it's bedtime.
Do kids like bedtime?
No,
What do you say?
it's time to sleep.
Do they listen?
Slowly, very slowly.
I can imagine.
I read a story.
That's sweet.
Then I say good night.
And they say,
Good night, Dad.
that's a nice ending to the day.
Yes, I feel happy.
Daily routine with kids is busy.
But it is full of love.
These sentences are real-life English.
You can use them every day.
Listen again.
Repeat slowly.
Practice English with daily life.
English becomes easy.
Thank you for listening to Talk English IRL.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.